Today, we're gonna be using the team we built in yesterday's video. It's always nice to realize about a team coming up with cool ideas and synergies, but if you don't actually test it, not only to see like if your ideas work, but to see if you're actually comfortable with the Pokemon you put together, then you're not gonna be able to tell like if the team is good and if you're doing good with it. So yeah, it's exactly what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be testing this team and on team we're facing. Right, I'm gonna leave with Paper. I should be able to leave anything comfortably. Choice band will be annoying choice band knockoff, but we should be fine either way. Just now. The cloud side of the walls my shit, but like I like my backs in theory. I changed backs to heavy duty boots because I felt a little bit weak to rocks with a little dice set. So now I only have the weakness to rocks with my Pelipper. So there's that. It's gonna get now. We're gonna see this the 27, which means choice band. So I'm glad he didn't flower trick or knock off me. And he goes hands. You go hands. Right. That's where we go walking wake. Gonna drop a strong ass Draco on the expected water absorb. Alright. Shit. This another one though. Should you go? Perfect. So we kill the hands. Not exactly what we wanted, but it's what we got. So Torkoal means I get a photosynthesis boost that doesn't matter at all. So I'm gonna go back to Pelipper. Change the weather. Claude, you say? Alright. So I'm gonna use it now and you got shook. You got shook by the Pelipper switch. It is what it is. Alright, we win the next one. We win the first one. Ooh, another Muscarada offense. We gotta do Pelipper lead. We're gonna do Pelipper lead. Have fun. Have fun. Muscarada. Let's see if we face another choice by Muscarada. Nope, that was utility. It's nice to see. Because it means I can go into my Flood Cell. Hopefully not get sucker punched. Habush. Oops. Water system on your team is not existent, but I bet you have Water Terra on your Great Task or some shit. Or grass on this. Either way, I'm gonna stay in and click it. Yeah. Ah, Wisp. Who runs Wisp these days? Nobody. Why you run Wisp? Nobody wants Wisp. I'm gonna make a mid-ground switch on my Walking Wake, which deals with either Garch on mid-ground and all the Gabbard is the mid-ground, which I don't mind. I'm gonna Hydro Pump you. Darf, see if your choice specs, see if you're checked. See if you can just die, that also works. Walking Wake, you're a beast. Woo! Not bad. I really hope my microphone is not dog shit now. Because sometimes my microphone recently does. That's some crap I don't like, bro. Some crap I don't fuck with. I'm gonna Hydro Steam, which is a little bit safer. Okay, Hydro Pump killed, but fire right here. It only doesn't hit Garchomp, but it hits the rest of the guys, so I'll take that. So you die, so no more sucker punch shenanigans. Which is really nice. Go Volk. And I go bald. Yeah, nice healing. Air gains very free. Gonna 6-0. Gonna Draco me. 6-0. Is that the plan? Is there a 6-0 day? Probably do it. No reason to, but I'll do it anyway. Absolutely no reason to. Steam. We're steaming. We're steaming with this wise glasses set. We're steaming. Not bad. Not bad. GG. Not bad. Wait. Does it die? I'm gonna drop a Draco. Alright, good stuff. This is a good start for a live. This is one good start. That's my microphone does all the time, they were fine. Somebody told me that about that on Discord. Man, what can I do? I don't have money to get a new one. These are expensive. I bought this one 4 years ago for how much? It's a headset plus microphone. It's like Cloud9 whatever bullshit with microphone and headset. So about 85. Good at time. What is this? This looks like sun without sun. Is this manual sun? What's the plan here? Anyway, he's gonna lead socks, which I don't like very much. Backs would be a fire lead by me. Alright, we're getting... So I don't see... Let me tell you my issue. I don't see booster energy speed, which means there is a chance he's just Terra Fairy. That's my issue. Do I get paranoid about a random Terra Fairy? I probably shouldn't. I probably shouldn't. But I am. Alright. Yeah, that's why I shouldn't. That's why I shouldn't. Are you gonna scarf is a question. We're gonna find out. Nope, you're not. Damage. Damage indeed. So we kill one water resist, which is really nice. And now I'm gonna resist the bolt switch, which is also fine. Special attack means I have no switch for you. This is gonna be difficult to switch. I'm gonna go Earthworm. Oh boy. You're one big threat. Have anyone told you about that? Oh my god. What is this demonic set? One demonic set. Crap, dude. Right. 3% a day with a SPDF investment. Jesus Christ, bro. Oof. I got shook. 8 his Terra 2. It's gonna invite King Gambit or Slitherwing. Slitherwing. I think I can spore anyone. So I'm gonna do exactly that. Yeah, free spore. Hopefully you don't have lump. Now. Wake. Slitherwing double switch would be fire here, but he didn't do it. The Hydro might kill, but Hydro Steam is accurate. Our Hydro Pump might kill in one. So I'm gonna click that. As he sacrifices. It didn't kill in one. I lied. Aster lied. What's his double switch? Alright, there was no need to do that. But if he woke up and sacrificed me, this would have been fire. This would have been a fire play. Tusk. Tusk comes out. Where do we go? I will go in the Walking Wake, I think. Fine. My glasses. Yeah, lied. Ha! Ha ha! Lied. Okay, I just him again. Ha ha! Alright! Not a 6-0, but we won another one. Good. We're doing good. We're doing good. We are doing good. 10 minutes in, 3 wins already. Or 4, I don't remember. Let me eat my yogurt. Another sun. That has points too. This is a storm zone gene, isn't it? No, it's not. Other shit. So we're gonna do Walking Wake. I'm very afraid about the dragons. But I do have my Terra Fairy thingy. That is looking phenomenal in this matchup. The question is, where do I get the Shed Tail? Probably versus the Jigglypuff. Probably versus the Jigglypuff. Yeah. Or D-Knight. D-Knight not really. Unless he has Fire Pants. Either way. I'm gonna leave Walking Wake because it's good versus both Sandy Socks and Torkoal. If he gets a Sun up, good, I get a speed boost. No, I get a Spatak boost. Right? Yeah, I get a Spatak boost. And if he leads Sandy Shocks, I outspeed. Good luck. Have fun. So he goes Shocks, and I click Meteor because it's a good mid-ground for Split Bonnet. As we showed before, I can KO you, but I'm not gonna click it because you're gonna go Scream Tail right here. So I'm gonna go Pelipper as a mid-ground. Very interesting bullet seed, not gonna lie. Very interesting. Extremely interesting bullet seed. When I could have right now, all of you, but I don't think I benefit a lot from that. I think I benefit more by clicking this. Guys, very interesting bullet seed. Not gonna say I liked it, but it was interesting. Going to this kid, this is speed boost. Exactly. So we're gonna pivot with Among Us. As you click Crunch, 53. That's actually Calc. Boring Moon. 53. Yeah, more likely choice one low roll. I have a few options right now. One of them is Walking Wake because I live. The other one is Bax and Terra. The other one is Earthworm. By Terra, your choice one sit still breaks my sub. What about... Let's go Earthworm. Let's go Earthworm on the crunch. My back's in. Have Anchor, either way, please. Yeah, I only did that in case he has Anchor. Alright, we stole some Sun turns. 6. That's 20. Ah, shoot you, obviously. I can also flinch you. Alright. Gonna go Torkoal, I guess. At the +2. This one turn wasted of Anchor. Wait, no. No, it's not. Now it's one turn wasted. That's actually perfect. Thank you. Thank you for the protect. But 1. Now you go Torkoal 2. No, I'm stupid. This is 2. This matters. He anchors. I don't remember. I'm confused. Torkoal, I should leave anything. This is the third one. Alright, figured it out, guys. All we have to do is Earthquake. Glaive Rush would have been fire play, but oh my god. You know what? I'll take this. I'll take this. You wasted your Terra too. You're that dumb. You wasted everything. You could have just sacked this and then go D-Knight and Extreme Speed me. I think. Either way, I don't mind this, I think. Oh, bish. Now you're gonna go D-Knight. I wonder if I can keep this Pokemon. Probably not worth it. Outside of like getting a 6-0. I also wonder if you have anything to touch my Earthworm at this point. Either way, my play I think is to go take a drop one. Because we get a kill basically on everyone. E. Kill you. Shocks, it's gonna be a speed boost, right? Yeah, that's fine. But now I'm gonna suck my Pelipper. No, I'm not gonna suck. Yeah, I'm gonna suck my Pelipper. No. I think I suck Pelipper to invite the Torkoal in. I think that's the plan. Yeah, because he's stupid, so he goes Torkoal, which means he loses. Right? Or am I the stupid? Find out, I guess. Because this doesn't kill me with anything. Yep. And I have my Among Us alive for your shocks. We are good. I can also keep this thing alive. Gonna suck Earthworm. And it should be GG. Nice. Not bad. But you were not specs, you were glasses or some shit. Cool stuff. Another win. Alright. Let's see. Oh man, I clicked. I randomly opened Dionysos. This guy's Greek. Or he just likes a god. God of wine and joy. It's Greek mythology, by the way. Felipe as a lead is not bad, but it's gonna invite this. Gonna do it anyway. That's fine. Espion. Kurama. Bridge with Kurama. No, in Greek we have a word called kurada. Basically means anyway. Philology should be fine. Gotta crash the wave. Or the wave is crashing you. It's one of the two. Oh, you're gonna get debated by this. Or am I? Yeah, I'm getting debated by this. But this is good damage. I'm curious if you Akajet kill me. Ah, it's true. Yep. Unless you're not choice banned. Nope, you always kill me. Switch into my Earthworm. This is not Earthworm, this is Among Us. That's why I said Earthworm, because Earthworm was smarter, but like, I'm not, apparently. What can you do about it? Can all be Einstein IQ. Some of us gotta be stupid. Curious if you go into your Kurada. Shed Tail is free. Shed Tail is free. The backs. Backs is walled hardly by Earthworm. I'll play actually. So we're gonna Ice Class on the Earthworm and do 10%. Yep. Ah, 18. Perfect. Incredible. Gotta speed everyone. What are you doing? You're one madman. Oh! Flinch! Flinch him! Oh, he goes Azu. You have a seller up, right? Otherwise you're dumb as fuck. Oh, he's thinking. Oh no. You had it. I played GD by the way, just in case he had Sucker Punch. Fire Punch? Fire Fang or whatever? We'll find out. Close combat maybe. Flaming. Oh, so I belly bear into this, into walking floodzel. Stop. Oh no. I'm playing stupid right now. I can tell. I can tell I'm playing stupid right now. I can feel it when I'm doing dumb. So let's wake up a little bit with walking wake. See what I did there? Anyway. Just stay in and spore me, right? You're not gonna switch. You're not gonna be one of those. Right? You're not gonna switch into your Kurata. Come on. At least we killed Kurata. Okay. Basically, Kurata increases fat shit. That's why it is. So the question is, do we flood till kill with Aqua Jet? Probably not. It's not that strong, right? What's name? Lycanroc. What's name? Dusk or whatever. Aqua Jet. This is Terra Fighting. Apparently this is a standard set. 68 -1. Ooh. These are all. It's gonna be at 70, 71. These are all. I'm gonna go for it. Oh man, I'm feeling frisky. I'm feeling frisky. Player off, who you play with? I could have just went Among Us, but this sounds smart. Sounds smart because it's gonna cellar rock me like stupid, and then. Alright. Alright, guys. You gotta die now to hazard, so might as well just Aqua Jet. It is what it is. Why you do that? I actually expected a Cellarrock. I actually expected the Aqua Jet. Crazy people out there. Same Among Us. Good enough. I'm clicking Hurricane over Jaco just in case he goes fourth one. Don't want to be -2 speed def and then have him switch back into Among Us. I like this. Need to hide the steam more. Yeah, now everyone is joining. Now that I'm losing. Yeah. 4 games now. You didn't join shit. Now you join. Yeah. I know. You're smart. I'm the idiot. Yeah. Oh, not bad. Have psychic punks is the question. You probably should have a rock type move. I think anyway. Stronger, but this doesn't kill. Hurricane might actually be the better play, but I'm gonna click it and face for a high roll or high crit. Or this. So yeah, everyone's joining now. Everyone, we have a party now. Now that I'm losing, we have a party. Come in, everyone. Yeah, Sav is losing. Yeah. Did we live? I don't think we live. So strong, bro. What the fuck, dude? So strong. Ask. Come in, everyone. Yay. Alright, this is a tough roll. Gotta admit. Yep, it was one tough roll. That is probably adamant. He's probably adamant, guys. Yeah, he's adamant. He's just bluffing. Now that I figured it out, he's just bluffing. He's adamant. I didn't lose. He lost. GG, Dionysos. Damn it. We got messed up by a Lycanroc. It is what it is. It is what it is. Sometimes, it's gotta take it. Alright, Oricorio to you. I swear to God, I lost to Like a Dog. Now I'm gonna lose to Oricorio as well. Watch it. I'm calling it right now. Anyway, I'm gonna leave with Pelper. Yeah, leave with that. That should be free. It's not gonna other shit, but like. But I'm feeling frisky. Oh, speed tie. Ah ha ha ha! Stupid! Stupid! Alright, let's try something. Let's try this into this. Yeah, that sounds smarter. Yeah. Not bad. This actually worked out perfectly. Not only we killed it and prevented the shed tail, but we bluffed it too with the speed tie. Alright, we gotta pay into Among Us because if he does some weird shit, we're gonna be able to default switch block. If he does that, I'm gonna get my walking wake in. If he did quiver dance, all I had to do is spore into clear smog. And he's an Oricorio. I'm not calculating shit. You die to this. Calced. Can I say sometimes? Sometimes I'm just fucking stupid. What can I say? My blood to be stupid sometimes. Damn it, man. Why I have to be such fucking idiot? Oh! My boy! Got him up. Doesn't help him versus anything, but he got him up. Stop. Can you please stop? I really don't want to miss. Now I'm gonna calc. I can tell I'm being an idiot right now. I can tell. Pom pom. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. This is getting a little bit difficult. Alright, it's got a lot better. Hey, fair, I mean. Fair. It's like nobody missed. Oh, I'm gonna go hard Pelipper. Since he's there fairy, but he stayed in regular, just clicked in front of me, didn't give a damn. You turn. Oh, you were fairy! Oh, you little shit! I'm not playing games with you. Habush! Don't. Okay, we're fine. Not playing games with your Oricorio guy. Swear to God if I lose to Oricorio. You gonna sucker punch me? You're bluffing. I think you're not gonna click it. I think you're not gonna click it. I think you're gonna click a Tau. Yeah, get the fuck out. Woo! Be like that sometimes. It'd be like that. It'd be like that sometimes. What can I say? Sometimes your boy. Sometimes your boy is too frisky. What can I say? Like that sometimes. Yeah, DD all you want. I'm gonna clear smog it all. Yeah, same. What a beauty. What a beauty. What a beautiful 6-0. Do nothing. And all I have to do is spam this. Fact, I'm gonna be doing one of those two. Probably no reason to. I should probably just sack, right? I should probably just sack. I should probably just sack somebody. Go to dragon on this. Whatever. Trying to lose so badly. Really trying to lose this. Alright, we crit him again. Did we actually crit him again? I should be doing that in tours too. I just gotta choke as much as I can and then get crits everywhere. Either way, this is gonna be the team. This is gonna be the live for today. That's a short one. Don't wanna be like 5 hours videos or whatever. And I don't mind, but it is. Team worked out. Alright, wasn't bad. It's quite good. I don't know if I would bring it in a tournament, but for live it did quite good for me. So yeah, gonna leave it in the description again. It's in the last video too, but I'm gonna leave it again because I can. And yeah, I wonder what about next. Somebody suggested like drag mag or something in the last video, which we could experiment with. Either way, we'll see. Hope you liked the video. Hope you have a great day, and bye bye everyone. Peace.